Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Chrysler remote key fob. All we need to do is split the two halves of the key fob case. We do that by getting a flat-headed screwdriver, and there is a locating point just here on the side of the fob where you can put the blade of the screwdriver in. Give it a twist like so, and it splits the two halves of the key fob case, and there is your key fob battery. There is two key fob batteries in here, so you get your screwdriver and we just prise them out of the housing like so. This key fob case takes batteries with a part number of CR2016, like this one. We get our new key fob batteries and we just simply pop them back into the housing. We make sure that the writing on the key fob battery is facing upwards, so we know it's in its correct location, like so. And then we just pop the two halves of the case back together. Make sure it is all lined up, and we just click it in place. And there you go, it's all done.